Now we're going to see how you can embed multimedia into your HTML files. So multimedia means audio, videos, or even other objects like PDF files or other HTML file and so on. So the best way to embed any media file to your HTML file is to include it within the tag embed. Opening tag embed and closing tag embed. Only modern browsers and newest version of the browsers can do this. And in case you want to prevent that your web page is not rendered correctly on all browsers, then you should also include the no embed part. Okay, opening and closing tag, and include, for example, an image which says what you should do if there is no media. So if the embed function doesn't work, the embed object, or let's say the embed HTML element, has some attributes like the source src, like an image, which is the path of the media file relative to the root path of the website, and also other attributes like the width of the image, like here 100% of the width, and height. Okay, you can also find other attributes, okay, like line, auto start, you want the media auto start automatically, or you want a loop, so once it's finished it's gonna go again. If it is true, repeat from the very beginning again. And so hidden, width, height, and name and volume as well. Okay, you can do this for Flash files with extension SWF, or Microsoft Windows Media Video file types, okay, or Microsoft Windows Media Video file types, or MOV, which are Apple's QuickTime movie format, or MPEG files. Okay, now we're gonna see this. Okay, it's one way, and we have also another way, okay, with a mid file. Here we have a sound file, okay, BG sound. Okay, so I have one media. I am not sure if this works, but I'm gonna select and put media inside the media directory. I'm gonna double click on this one. Oh, I think I selected the wrong one. I'm gonna get embed. Okay, you have this file. Okay, you don't have anything here because I cannot show this image, but you have this one, is autoplay, okay, on the background. Okay, I can also have it if you see the, and because this is deprecated, okay, so you should use the audio object here. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna save it. I'm going back to I have tried many times here. I cannot make it work with my MIDI file. I can also, okay, skip it, save as. Okay, here I'm going to, oh, this was, let's say if works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it here, MP3. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna use here my MP3 one. And when I have it in autoplay, okay, and then I'm gonna execute this, and you can hear the music. Okay, now I'm gonna do the following. I put it here controls. Okay, so that if I'm going to launch it, support files, see, I can also control it. Okay, so now we have decided to not to use the background audio object, which is deprecated, but we're going to use the audio object like this, MP3 autoplay controls if you want. Okay, here no embed if you want. Okay, you can also decide to use other audio formats if you want. Okay, just check yourself how to do this. Now another important object is the object itself, and with an object you can embed anything like an HTML file. Here you see object, data, and the source and the type, text, HTML, and this. Okay, here for example we can have, I'm gonna hope to create a normal file. Okay, like this one. Okay, I'm gonna copy, paste this and test, and here I'm gonna paragraph test. Okay, I'm gonna save it in HTML. Okay, here we are. So we can also close it. Now I'm going to see here this one, test. Okay, on test HTML. I like that. Okay, so then we can have a PDF file. Okay, so I'm gonna get a PDF. So to do this, I'm gonna get one of my reports. This one, I'm gonna print this one, save as PDF. So I'm going to this one and say, this one I'm gonna put it here. Support files. Okay, put here docs. Okay, and this is my doc PDF. Okay, so let's say data. Okay, so I'm going to my data. Simple as that. Okay, so here we are. Here we can also use our, let's say, media. Okay, I'm gonna copy it. It is already gone like that. Go into data. Let's save it. Test. Okay. Data test. I should transform this into a web document. I should have some web document, some web. Let's go to get. I'm gonna get this one. Test wave. Okay. So I have my test wave here. Here I should have a flash. I'm gonna leave it for the moment, but I can put here. I can also include here an applet if you want. I'm gonna leave this for file. Okay, video MP4. Okay, so here I'm gonna change. I'm gonna get data or media test. Okay, MP4 media test MP4. Okay, if I'm going to execute this one, the number 3, embed number 3. So you see.
Congratulations for taking this course. In this course, you will learn how to use VBA on real projects.
So as you can see here, I have here a document. I need to, of course, change a bit. This one is test HTML. Test. This is data. Oh, HTML. HTML test wave is this one. Yeah, I'm gonna re-execute this. Okay, see here now we have test here, then here we have our PDF. Okay, we have our, okay, something doesn't work for media. No, media it's okay. For the PDF, okay, I think I had an error here. Okay, I'm gonna read. Okay, here we have our PDF file, you see? So I can have this one, the image, okay, other elements, an HTML file here. Okay, here we have an image, probably is going to penguin, I don't have it. Okay, but so on. So you can see you can use object to embed any kind of external file, an HTML file, a PDF file, a WAV file, an MP4 file, or a Flash document, or even a Java class, an applet. Okay,